It's a good morning, Stackers unboxing. Hey there, everyone. Joe Main right here. We're doing some subscriber unboxing. I've been sent this by the wonderful Tony Peterson, aka Chat Mum, and let's quickly open it. I've taken it out of its envelope because addresses and all that kind of stuff. Let's see what we've gotten. I know there's something in there particular. I've been told. Let's take a quick little look, and I might upload this on the channel as a quick little interesting video. Let's see, do I have any kind of information, anything? No, I think we're, oh my god, look at this. If this is what I think it is, I think this might be the Germania mint coin as a replacement for the one that I used as a giveaway. So thank you so much, Tony Peterson, once again. If you want to buy the more kind of rare silver coins, etc., check out Tony Peterson's little shop, and I'll put a link below when I can, the Facebook page, MSC. It's really, really cool. So beautiful. Thank you, Tony. This is the, and I'll take it out of its packaging because it is encapsulated. This is the Germania Mint 1 ounce golden eagle. Just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's a perfect thumbnail. Look at that right there. 2023. So again, Tony sent me this as a giveaway, and then I was giving away one, and she sent me another one just for me. So that's so nice of you. Thank you so much, Tony Peterson. You are the bestest. We'll see you again on the live chat. I do a week daily live show, as you know, about gold, silver, crypto too. Good morning, Stackers. Every single weekday, and we did a giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers. I'll do another giveaway when we hit 2,000 subscribers, and I might possibly even give this one a go. We'll see. Although it's so beautiful, I just really want to keep one for myself. But look here, Golden Eagle, just beautiful, from the Germania Mint, right there, 2023, and it's Malta, right there, 1 ounce, 9999, fine silver, Malta. I think it's the Germania Mint, I'm pretty sure, and it's worth what is it? 0.5. Oh, a denomination of 0.5. Oh, no, it must be €5. There we go. Yeah, dot and a dot there. €5 fiat denomination. Very wonderful. Thank you. And Tony had been talking about the silver shield, silver bullet, silver shield. It might even just be silver shield, the copper rounds. So these are 1 ounce copper rounds. And I've got one of the original, I've got the original Det and Death 2012 Det and Death copper round. I have the original silver. I'll take it out, why not? And so Tony Peterson said, hey, I'm going to send you some of the old school ones that came out in the other designs in the copper. So this is the Copper Freedom Girl. That's just beautiful. The original Freedom Girl, designed by Heidi Wastwheat, who's a sculptress, is just fantastic. She did a lot of Chris Dwayne's original designs. So keep calm and slave on. That's just amazing. And interestingly, it doesn't come with, it doesn't come with a date on it. That's interesting. Okay, that's the Freedom Girl. What else have we got? I won't take the rest of these out of their thing. Excuse me. So we've got the Freedom Girl there. This is the, cool. That's right. I remember this one, the Legalized Nature one. That was from a while ago as well. Again, that'll be a Heidi Wastwheat one. That's from a couple of years ago, the 2022. So Silver Shield. So it's when it turned from, and it was a number of years ago, where it went from Silver Bullet, Silver Shield to Silver Shield. That's just beautiful. Thank you, Tony. I love that. Legalized Nature, indeed. Let's see, what have we got here? Liberty or Death. Nice. A 1 ounce copper Liberty or Death round. That's again from 2022. 1 AVDP ounce. Okay. Pure CU right there. Pure copper. Fantastic. Next design we have. I've never had this one myself. I've never had any of this in the design. This is the Justice one. Again, just look at this. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to assume again this was Heidi Wastwheat's work. Wastwheat, I believe it was. Beautiful. Again, 2022. I could be wrong on Heidi doing these ones, but it looks very Heidi-esque unless it was someone else. And lastly, we have, brilliant. I wish I had it to show you, but I don't. This is the Sic Semper Tyrannis. This is very cool. Okay, so these are a reissuing, okay, of the design. So the Sic Semper Tyrannis design was actually from quite a while ago. We're talking your 2013 kind of era 2013, 2014, and it was the 1 ounce silver. And I don't have it to show you, but I have my very prized possession, which I will never, ever, ever, ever sell. The 1 silver ounce I will never, ever sell is the silver version of this in the proof-like finish, with the certificate of authenticity in the box and all that. And it is a 1 ounce Sic Semper Tyrannis. And it is the the mintage or the certificate number 1776. Now, I was very lucky and fortunate to work for a bullion dealer at the time, which I actually introduced. I introduced the owners of the bullion dealer. I introduced them to Chris Dwayne at the time because I knew Chris through the Silver Shield group, which I was a part of. I think I still am technically. And they started buying the Silver Shield products, and of course we get them in, and I would get to have a little rummage through the numbers, the certificate numbers, and I saw 1776 and Sic Semper Tyrannis, and I was like, yeah, no, that one's not going to the public. So, working for a bullion dealer has its privileges. But anyway, that's the Sic Semper Tyrannis copper round right there. Just beautiful. That is just fantastic. So thank you so much to Tony Peterson, one of my very first and one of my most loyal GMS subscribers, and thank you for the replacement of this 1 ounce silver round coin as well. That has been a subscriber unboxing. Thanks, gang. We'll see you on the live show.